A bike has fallen off inside a ditch over here. So clearly things are chaotic and the work that you're seeing, sir, where all is it raining, sir? Full crowd like this?
Crowd, sir.
Full flood everywhere?
Ah,
Full, sir. Okay. Now you can see there is a vehicle that it fell off in. One person had fallen off over there. 1 second, 1 second. We'll just try to make sure that we don't come in the middle of the crowd. See, you can see the situation over here. There is a hole right in front of it, and because of which a person just fell off. Now, how chaotic the situation is here, how people are still trying to work around, and this is what has happened in the last 40 minutes. Let me just try to get in a word from Sir, can I just speak to you for a second? He's a little busy. We'll try to catch up with somebody and ask him if everywhere is it flooding. Is it the same situation everywhere from where you're coming?
yeah, right.
Is it flooding everywhere like this? From where are you coming?
From electricity.
From?
From electricity.
How long has it taken you?
It will take around 1.5 hours.
1.5 hours. And the situation there also is the same?
Yeah, from Koramangala to.
Koramangala till here. So he is somebody who's driving from the Electronic City and he says from Koramangala till here the situation is same. So you're clearly getting an idea of what is the situation here and how water has become one of the main, rain has become one of the main reasons for a disaster that you're seeing. And this is one such street in Bengaluru. There are many places where the situation is worse than this. Where I am reporting is Shanti Nagar, where vehicles are stranded till where your eyes can go. There is a traffic jam and the situation here is getting chaotic. Bringing you this report is from Shanti Nagar. If I can tell my camera person to just pan around this side. Yes, he is also trying to move around and trying to show you the situation over here. You can see till bumper level you have the vehicles that the water is gone till the vehicle. Let me just see if I can get in a word. Okay, we try to get in a word from the person over here, but they're not speaking. But yeah, what you try to get a sense is the situation at Bengaluru right now. 40 minutes of rain has exposed the BBMP, the authorities. This would not have happened if the authorities would have been careful, would have been more vigilant with regards to their work. But then again, it's Bengaluru, and that is how it has been for years and years. And this has been the situation for time and again since we've been having an office over here. So the situation at Shanti Nagar is grim. Bringing you this report from Shanti Nagar, right opposite TV9 offices, me, Mohammad Wajullah, along with my camera person, Ganesh, for News 9.